All right, do we need anyone else here? Or is everyone here?
A lot of kids are missing yesterday, that's for sure.
Okay. Oh, look, we got one more. Okay, we'll just wait a little bit. Can you come with me really quick? Do you want to test the stream on your laptop?
Yes, I'll have to go grab that.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
They're saying they can't hear sound, so I wanted to see if you could test it and see if you could. YouTube. I'll show you the channel. It's public. They just told me they can hear. They just told me they can hear now, so sorry. Okay, we're gonna get started now. So this is what if you look at the TV over here, this is what we're gonna be making, basically. So it's like a little Boyd simulation thing. What's cool is you can click around and it'll like disperse the Boyds and stuff. And if we got more time, we can add extra fun features, make it more playable and stuff. So yeah, we'll start to be doing this stuff. Yeah, so we're going to make it pretty easy, and so you can start doing this, and you can customize it however you want. So this is on the web browser right now, currently. So this is my internet browser here. I have some other tabs. This is a website, so it runs in your browser. You don't need to install anything. However, to get set up, I'll show you guys how to get set up really quick. It takes a few moments. So everyone go to the site called github.com. Okay, and this is where the instructor, our mentors can help you guys. Everyone navigate to github.com. The link right here is github.com. Awesome. So next, we're going to go up here. So you see this little search bar right up here. We're going to click this, and we're going to type in RAITU, and then a 5, a number 5. RAITU 5. If you press enter, nothing happens. Give me a second. I misspelled it. My bad. RATIU 5. We could be going a lot faster by now if I could spell, so sorry about that. RATIU 5. And then we're going to go to the left side over here, and it says users. Whoa. Well, that's new. Whoa there. Whoa there. Well, we're going to start again.
I don't like
Yeah, RATIU 5. We're going to click this users. Whoa, okay. This keeps happening. We're going to do something else. We're going to type in here.
It worked for me.
Oh yeah? Here, it's not working for everyone here. We're going to rewrite something else up here. We're going to write the whole URL to type in. Fun. So that seems to be the best case scenario here. So let me hurry navigate to my account here. That is not my account. So we're going to type in this URL instead. Change of plans.
What if I made it through?
You made it through? Awesome. We're going to find one called a Boyd's, basically. So you'll have to go under repositories if you're there. It's a funky way to get to it. Oh, you're already oh, here, let's see. Go to, go back really quick, because this one's an old account, has the ZZ on it. Click users. And then find this one. We want this one. And then go to repositories right up there. And then we'll scroll down a little bit until you find one called Boyd's right there.
What?
So we're all going to navigate to this. This is basically where we can download some starting code.
It didn't.
Not yet?
Well, it's doing this to me.
Oh.
It shortened it. It does not.
Yeah, yeah. Let's hold and hopefully give it a second. Do you want to help make sure everyone's typing in right? Let's see, github.com/.
Do that and then.
No, I did do that. It just
Yeah, it just seemed to shorten it.
Yeah, yours is like that.
Hold on, it takes a while.
Oh, there we go, there we go. Okay. How's it coming along? I think you might need it to be capital letters. Possibly. It might freak out a little. How's it going? Everyone should see a really weird, funky looking screen.
All right, fine.
Okay, we're gonna go. Oh, there you got it. Cool. Got it? Awesome. Oh, that's weird. Oh, get rid of the hashtag right there. There we go, there we go. Cool, you got it? Cool, cool. Let's see. Let's type up here in the search again. Do a arrow slash. Oh, let's do the do a slash RA. What the heck? Just put wait. And then yeah. Oh. Let's see, do Control Z. It does undo. And do it one more time. One more time. There we go. And we'll press the arrow key. Yep, there you go. So capital R A, capital A, all right, capitalized, sorry. ATIU, and then a number 5, slash BOIDS. Let's see. I wonder. Oh, perfect. We got there. Is everyone there? Did everyone access it? Cool, cool. Looking good. Let's go check on everyone at the Brigham building. Are you guys all good? Yeah, we're streaming this to another building as well.
Another building? How many
Do
buildings?
you have a question? Or you got it? Oh, no. Oh, I see. We want an I right between the T and the U. Otherwise, it's correct. You got everything else spot on.
Okay.
Capital I, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. There you go. Let's see. Let's make sure it works first. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Sweet. Good job. Yep. Any other people have questions in here? All good? Cool. So now we're going to do the exciting thing and press this green button. We're going to click here. Click the green button, that one that says code, and we're going to press download zip. Yeah, we're going to download the zip. Yeah, we're going to open it. We're basically going to download the code here. Yeah, what's up? Oh, what the heck? That looks funky. Let's see, here we go. We'll download the zip right here. I'll show you in just a second which one we'll do. I'll just have to make sure everyone gets there first. So here's mine. I opened up the zip. Make sure you guys extract it first, though. That's one important thing. So if you still have the pink button at the top that says extract, click that, and we'll press extract. So we'll have our mentors come around and help you guys to make sure you're getting that. Were you able to get that far? Download it? Cool, perfect, good job. So yeah, you download it and press extract. Extract all here. Did you download the code here?
No.
Okay, gotcha. You can press the green button there. It'll press download zip. And that's going to download. Then you can open that up.
Oh, open it.
And then you have the extract right there. And then extract all. Yeah, press, yeah, press extract.
Okay. And then it just popped up with it.
So press the extract right up there. Yep, that's the one we'll be using.
Oh, I thought it was already clicked on it.
Oh, you're good. Then we'll press it right there and press extract. We'll have our mentors come around and help you guys. We're able to get it. Let's see, we'll click this, extract up here, and then extract all. And then we'll press extract that we want to extract it. And perfect. We can close out this other one. Okay, all good so far? Raise your hand if you need help, if you haven't gone that far yet. You should have a folder that looks like this. You should have like an index.html and like a JS folder. A folder called JS. Are y'all there so far? What's up? Oh, that's right. We need to open this one. There you go. We're there now. Yeah.
Are we like
I'll help.
on this screen or?
Yes, this is the correct screen. Sorry, it looks a little different on mine. Yeah, this is the correct screen.
Yeah. Your teacher uses Mac.
Sorry. Okay. So now everyone should have a application called VS Code. We're going to open that application. This is where our mentors can help you here. So go to there's a little icon at the very bottom of your taskbar. That's a little blue weird triangle thing right down here. We'll open up that. It's like a blue X sort of box thing. Yeah, there you go. You got it. We're going to open up that little, yep, you got that. Perfect. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, we're going to press extract all right up there, and then we're going to press extract again. And, let's just do replace all these files. Perfect. And then you can close out this other one in the behind. Now we're going to open up this little blue thing. Yeah.
If I were to follow along, what would I need on my laptop for this?
Oh, gotcha. You can still install VS Code.
On
That's what
this?
we're using, yeah.
Okay.
It still would work. And if you want VS Codium so it's not Microsoft tied, you can do that too.
All I care about is if it works.
You can also use any other text editor that you have.
Oh, well then I'll just use the built-in text editor.
Yeah. All right, has everyone opened up that little funky looking blue app? Did you guys get that?
That thing?
It looks like it's
Yeah,
some
that thing.
line connecting it.
Yep. Yeah, whatever that is. I don't know how to call that shape. What is it?
Somebody has failed it.
Like shape.
Oh, that's
You
awful.
click on the blue
Jeez.
shape and
Yeah, the blue shape. Okay. Now we're going to do file. So you should find a file near the top. And it'll say open folder. Let's click that. File, open folder. Yep, we're going to open up the Boyd's main. Oh, click the next one. I guess there's two levels. There's two levels. Go back once. We just want to select whatever the Boyd main is. It has to have the JS showing. Click this one right up there. Click this then?
Go to downloads. That's either.
Why is this not working? Let's see, we need to click that one. Yeah, so without clicking the JS one, we do this. There's two levels of Boyd's main for some reason. I'm not sure why. Yeah, I don't know why. So file open. You got that open? Cool. Okay, so we're gonna, I don't have anything in your downloads. Weird. Let's see, were you able to download the stuff before? Let's see. This must be in a different spot. We're gonna try to do this. Oh, we need to extract it, that's why. Gotcha. So now we should be able to see it here. Okay, perfect. That's what we want. If a message comes up saying trust this, press trust. So we're going to navigate to your downloads folder. So find the downloads folder. Yeah, we're going to find the Boyd's one. On mine, it's at the bottom. Right here.
The Boyd?
Yeah, the Boyd's main. It's going to be called Boyd's main. The Boyd's main. Open up one of them. Either one works. We'll just have to stick with it for the rest of them. Yeah.
I'm confused.
Oh, yeah. Let's see. We're going to click right up here. And, okay, click up here. So you have two of them, it looks like. So let's click that once, and then press select folder. Okay, that should be it. Then you should be all good now.
Do you trust the files in this folder?
Yes, you trust them. You always trust everything you download. No, I'm just kidding. Don't always do that. But these files are fine. Don't trust everything you download. So your screen should now look like this a little bit. If you don't see this, let one of the mentors know, and we'll help you get to this screen right here. You should have two things right here, and it should be blank over here. It's not blank? That actually is okay. You can press the little X right here. Let me. Perfect, perfect. Help him more. He's going to help you really quick. So yeah, you should see something like this now.
You're missing an index.
Oh, you have the JS folder open, so let's see. We're going to go back up here, go to File again. Click File and then Open Folder. We're going to redo the similar steps, except we're going to go up to this folder right here. Click that once and then press Select Folder. And there you go. Now you got it. Cool. Press the trust. Yeah. Okay. Looks like some of you guys found it. But actually, we're going to memorize all of this. No, I'm just kidding. We're not. Don't look at this file. You don't need to. We're not. So, are we all here? Memorizing all the stuff. You'll become the computer. Exactly. Okay. Now, let's get started. So, first thing we're going to do is press this little button down here called Go Live. There should be a little button down here called Go Live. So it's not live as in TV. It just says we're going to show this code to our browser. That's what it means. Yep.
What should we do about the Windows Defender Firewall has blocks for the features of this app?
That shouldn't be happening. We'll come take a look. Give us 1 second. Is it happening on everyone's? Oh, press allow access. What does it say?
Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And then it's asking for a password.
Let's see. Give me 1 second. Let's see. You don't have to read it all. Press go live right here.
We're just seeing the gray screen go when we go live, right?
Yes, yes. Oh, gotcha. Let's see. It looks like you have the JS one open. We want to open up this folder right here. That way we have this thing with us. We want this other file here. We'll press go live. Okay, ignore the firewall thing. Press no or cancel. Press cancel. It's not necessary. So you should be met with a beautiful gray screen. If you don't see the gray screen, click the folder that's on your thing.
I have a gray screen.
Perfect. Isn't this beautiful?
Yeah, it's all
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Day one is up. No, I'm just kidding.
you look at it in gray, it's all fuzzy.
Day one is done.
Oh, yeah. So we can click this folder right here if you don't see the gray screen yet. There you go. Perfect. Make a blank screen, yeah. Yeah, what's up? So we'll press to go live. Perfect. There's a little go live button right down here. It says starting now for him. Yep, press that. Press cancel when that little thing pops up right there. You can ignore the other. See the blinking orange thing at the bottom? You can press cancel on that. You can ignore it. Well, yours is being funky. Oh, there it is. It's just a little slow today. There you go. Here's the gray screen that we're looking for. Okay, now it's a little boring, in my opinion. So, if we open up our code again, you can go back down to the bottom and click code. The little VS Code thing at the bottom. So it's the little blue shape. We can actually make some changes. So there's a little bit of code that we have to write ourselves to tell it what to show on the screen. And so I'll show you what we need to write right here. First, we're going to write the word function. Ignore my red problem stuff up there. We haven't finished it yet. Has everyone gotten to this point? So this is going to be in our, this is going to be in our app file. I did not clarify that. Yeah. Oh, so we can open up this right here, and then it allows us to drop it, open up stuff inside, and we can click here. So you can go ahead and open up the blue shape down there, and then you can start kind of following up here. So you can actually click this little JS thing, and it toggles it up and down right here. So when we open it, we're going to click our app.js. We're going to type function. Perfect. Should be good. All good. Everyone get that so far? You just coded your first word or syntax. Good job. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh, you're like the advanced up here then. Good job. Nice. Okay. Oh yeah, that's true. It's hard to type a little bit. Yeah, so we'll go slow. We'll go slow. So now, ooh. Oh, that's awesome. Nice. Okay. So we're going to do function, and then we're going to do setup. Yep, we're going to do a space setup. So now it should look like this, and we're going to add these parentheses right after. Got that so far? Not yet, not in this case. I'll show you what we're going to do in a second. I haven't finished it yet. Let me hurry and finish it right now. We're going to add a space after this and then press curly brackets. So everything should look now like this. Instructors can help you. The code is updated on their computers now. So if that's hard to memorize, yeah, it's updated, so. Looking good? Okay, so after this, we have to tell it we want to create a place to draw stuff. Do you know what's a common thing that if you're painting, what do you draw on? Yeah, we're going to do create canvas. Paper works too, but in this case it's a canvas. We're going to do create canvas. Notice right here that the C that has a line underneath is a capital C. Be sure to make sure that's capitalized. And there's no space. So it's just one word. Create, capital C, canvas. Then we're going to add these parentheses right after again. It turns yellow. And then inside here, we're going to type window width, comma, window height. Okay, we're going to pause right there. Notice here again, the W in width is capitalized and the H in window height is capitalized as well. So let's create those and write that down. Did you get it that far? Anyone stuck or have questions? Raise your hand. Okay. Now we're going to add another function right below. Okay, this one is going to be called draw. Because we're going to draw stuff now. Because it's still a little boring. It still going to look like a gray background. So we're going to create a function called draw like this. Kind of the same setup as what we did in the, well, setup function. Okay. So after this, we're going to first do something that's a little bit more basic. We're going to change the background color. Okay? Any ideas how we're going to write that? Yeah. You have a question?
Background color equals.
Pretty close, pretty close. So we are going to use the word background. So we're going to do this. Background. However, the only downside is we can't type red in here or anything like that. We have to do it with numbers because computers understand numbers. So, yep. So what we can do is we can type in 100, 200, and 150. So the highest number for colors is 255. So you can't do any number larger than 255. But you can pick any numbers you want. So you don't have to pick these. It can be 0, 200, and then 100, or you can choose whatever numbers you want. It'll give you a different color.
What's the numbers called? Like, we're gonna switch up, like,
It's RGB. So the first one's red, the second one is green, and the last one is blue. So how much of that do we want? So if we go up here to File and press Save, we should be able to go back to our browser and see, oh, it's not gray anymore. It's for me, it's like this greenish color. Yeah, I can go back to my code really quick. So I did 100, 200, and 150. Yeah, so you can go up to File and then press Save right down there. Oh, sorry, right here. You could also do Control S, and that's a shortcut, so you don't have to do that every time.
Okay, how do I?
How do I get this part?
Yeah, how do I like run it?
There you go. So go to File, up here, this one, yeah, and press Save right here. You can also do Control S on your keyboard.
Red.
Oh, there you go. That's really red.
Control S.
Yeah, so Control and S at the same time will save the file for you. Let's see. So right here, there's a C missing between the N and the T. There you go. Now let's, do the save thing again. Boom, there. Look, that's a nice color. So a challenge would be is to try to find your favorite color in numbers.
Mine's not.
Oh, that's weird. Oh, I see. So the E and the I are mixed up right there and they need to be switched. Some of those are hard to catch. There you go. Perfect. Is everyone there so far? Perfect. You can do Control S to save it on your keyboard, or you can go to File and then Save.
Everybody's marveling over what they've just created.
Yep.
I got my color.
Sweet, I got it green.
So I did some code right here. Fill 100, 100, 255, that's a color again. And then ellipse. I gave it a position, so I said 300 pixels this way and then 300 pixels that way. Specifically, the first one is the x-axis and the second one's the y-axis.
I know how to make a circle.
A little bit of math, sorry guys, my bad.
I can make a circle.
And then 100, 100 for the size. And that will draw a little circle on your screen.
I want to draw a circle. What are you making? You go back. It's automatically giving me file list.
Now don't click enter if it does that.
Fill.
Just click the left arrow key if it does that, and it should get rid of that for you. And then you can just do those parentheses.
Later on it will get confusing, so you may have to check GitHub, so just a warning in advance. But yeah. So if you have your computers, you should be all good though. Cool, so go ahead and change the colors, see how you can make cool shapes and stuff, or different colors with the shape. I'm gonna change mine to do 50 right here. That didn't change. Ew, now it's brown.
What's the fill like?
The fill tells it what to color the middle of the circle. So that's what fill does, is it tells you to fill. It's like if you ever use Photoshop or Paint or something, there's like a fill tool.
Did I just go 0? 0.
That's going to be black.
Yeah, I like black.
That'll look kind of cool. And you can
And then
save it.
what's the
Oh, it's a semicolon.
yeah.
They are technically optional, so you don't need to have them.
Pull your card again so we can see the code instead of
Oh, yes. Yeah, it's just fill. So the first one means how far across should it be. So I said 300 pixels, yeah. And so the next one is, the next 300 is 300 pixels down. These ones is the size. So watch, if you change this one, maybe what if this one's less? Since it's an ellipse, it can stretch. So if you do that one for like, yeah, 1, it's gonna look like a line a little bit. So make sure you save it.
Go like that or something. Because it's going from 100 to 1. Or we can just find
Yeah. You can find out too. I don't remember exactly
what's
which
the
direction.
It's Control Save, right?
Yeah, Control S, Control Save.
And then
Yep.
I'm so fast.
Get your browser.
I mean,
It's not even there. It's like invisible. Try a slightly bigger value than 1.
is that
Are your code down here? Yeah. Do like maybe 10 or something. There you go. Make sure to save it. Yeah. It's not showing up. That's weird. Is it the same color as your background? No, it's not. Fill. Oh, eclipse. It's an ellipse. So we just take out the C.
dude, I am literally spamming spacebar
okay,
and I
let's go
cannot
back to 1.
Let's go back to 1 then. There we go. Now it looks like it's a flat one.
Let's make it better.
It's like you flattened it. Oh, it's growing a little bit. So, whatever you want. Yeah. So it's a little boring right now. Nothing's moving. We want stuff to move around and stuff. So let's start. Oh, nope. We're going to start by going up here. So I'm going to create some space above the function that's called setup. Okay? I created some space up here by pressing enter right here.
Oh, goodness. I like it.
I'm going to do something called let I equals 0.
Can I copy and paste this and make another eye?
Yeah, if you want.
What?
And I'm going to replace down here this with I. So I took out 100 and put it with a letter instead. The only reason this works is because we declared I to be a variable up here. Yeah. Now, to make stuff change, I'm going to do right here I plus plus. What happens now? Oh, it's growing. It's still growing. It's stretching. The poor circle. Oh, geez. Oh, we need to stop. We're torturing it. Okay. So yeah, that's what this code will do. It'll stretch out the shape and make it a little bit different now. So we got some movement going. Yeah. Yeah. So do a lowercase l. Yeah. Oh, almost. There you go. So let I equal 0, perfect. And then I replaced this 100 with I. There you go. And that's what my code has. How's it coming along over here? Did you get that code up? Perfect. There you go.
I just don't know how to.
Oh, that needs to be a comma right there. Oh, sorry. Right up here, by the 100. Up one row. Yeah. There you go. Okay, you can feel free to change the numbers. Maybe you want to put I right here or something, or maybe you want to put I anywhere else, because I is going to be changing, so it's a different. It's like a dynamic number. I'm going to put I right here. Oh, now it's moving across the screen too, and stretching. The poor circle.
I'm gonna get it to go rainbow. And I see
Okay. So you don't have to have this exact code right here. I'm just kind of playing around and testing some stuff. Right now though, I'm going to go to the Boyd's JS file. Okay? I'm going to start doing adding some code into this Boyd JS file. Let's see. I++. Yep. Oh yeah, at the very top. So give some space right before function at the very top.
It's just not showing up for me, and I just want to see.
Yeah, and do let space I equals 0. There's a space, yeah. Equals 0. Yep, there you go.
Hey, John.
Yeah.
Black.
He has his fill set to 0, so it should be showing a black circle, but instead it's showing no circle.
It did before, but then
Go back to his code.
He's got the original position in here, and then changed it to the I, but for some reason.
So I isn't updating, and you need to declare I up here, so above the function.
Oh, you have it in the function.
Yeah, let me go back to my code up here. Coming along so good?
I got some on the ellipse part.
Oh, gotcha. You guys could check the GitHub though. I'm going to kind of move forward so some other students can keep coding along.
Oh,
Does that work? Okay.
can I do this work? If I change all the numbers into I.
Go for it and see. It might look weird.
Wouldn't that make these rainbow?
I think so. Sort of. So if you change all of them to I,
Yeah, then it would just be blank. So
it would be black. It'll stay gray and it'll go to
Yeah,
white.
yeah.
So you have to change one of them to be I.
What should the background be?
Oh, I don't know. That's a good question. No? Let's see. Go back to your code. Let I equals 0.
Oh, I didn't see that at the top.
Yeah. Let I equals 0. And then you want to, inside the draw function right here, so make some space above or below the background change right there. Anywhere inside so go to the B right there and press enter. And so go right there above and type I++, kind of like this. Did you get that? Yeah, it should work once you got that stuff. Oh, click this. Go back to your code.
Still doesn't change colors.
Let I equals 0, create canvas, window width. Oh, HEI for height. Did you save it?
Oh, I have to save it.
Yeah, we need to save it too. It does. It's not that smart, unfortunately.
Wait, save it? How do you save it?
Control S, or you can do the file save. Okay, let's see. Create canvas window width. Oh, you need a D in width after the I.
I'm not good at spelling.
Now you're good.
Now I'm safe.
All right, 5 more minutes for break time, or maybe 8-ish.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab something.
Yeah, go for it. All right, we're going to get started back again. Okay.
It's still worming on my screen. It's doing a really funky thing.
There you go. Awesome. That's great. Okay, so I'm going to start cutting some stuff. You'll just follow along. I'm not going to go too much in depth so we have enough time and everything. So first we're going to write a class. We're going to call this Boyd. Then we're going to add curly braces like this. So this is the start of our little Boyd, our little bird you can think of. And they're going to flock with other birds and align with them, kind of like our example that we showed earlier. Okay, so after this, we're going to give it a position. I'm going to call it pause. That's going to be equal to create vector. You don't want to miss the fun part. Are you playing Bed Wars?
I'm playing Boyd's.
Got there so far?
He's got to win his Bed Wars game. If he doesn't, he might have emotional trauma.
He won't be able to go back home. Okay, we're also going to give it a velocity. And it's going to be the exact same thing. So create vector. We're going to start involving a little bit of physics, but not too much, so it's not too annoying. You can add as much as you want, though. You can add gravity if you want.
But then it would all like tumble to the.
Yep, pretty much they'll all fall down and just clump and. Yep.
Hey, we have gravity turning on and off randomly.
Then we'll also have an acceleration. That's going to be equal to a create vector as well. There's going to be a lot of variables down the road. You can create as many as you want. Yeah, well, no, I decided not to do that one. Yeah. Yep. So that's how far it can see. So I'm going to do some enters right over here. I'm going to create my own function called draw. like this. I'm going to say there's going to be a fill. Oh, no, not a file list. No, a fill. This no. We're going to do our own color. So let's see. We're going to do, I'm going to put in a color 30, 40, 100. Hey, there you go. That works too. I'm going to tell it I don't want a stroke, so no stroke. Strokes are bad for your health. And then I'm going to draw an ellipse. Except this time we're not. This time we're not going to do that with numbers. We're going to do it with like the position and stuff. So to access the position, we have to do this dot pause for position dot x. Yep. And then we have to do this dot current position dot y. And we're going to do this dot pause dot perception radius, and we're going to do that one twice. So this dot pause dot perception radius. You can check the GitHub for the code. Oh, will that help? It might be on wrap already. My code's wrapping on the line, so it might look a little bit weird.
Did you do that just so you can read it?
Yeah,
Okay.
just for readability.
One thing to keep it all in one line.
Oh, that one's file list you have right there. You want to change that to fill.
If I was doing that with a bash script, that would totally kill me.
Yeah, and just click away somewhere. Yeah, there you go. Let me scroll up a little bit more. So I saved my file. And now we're going to do the important physics function. It's not as complex as it sounds, but this makes everything work, basically. We're going to create one called update. Okay? We're going to say this dot velocity dot add. And we're going to say we're going to add this dot acceleration. We're also going to do this dot position dot add. And we're going to add this dot velocity. We're then going to do this dot velocity. Oh, nope, just like this. Dot limit. And we're going to pass in max speed. Yeah. So we need to create this variable. I'm going to create it right here. So I'm going to type max speed here. And last of all, we're going to do this dot acceleration dot molt. I just passed it in right here. 0.
I don't know.
This isn't going to change much on your screen. Oh, I see.
Like, yeah. I'm kind of.
So, right over here, these will need to be inside here. So all these will be inside this function up here, like this. See how it's inside these curly braces right here? That's what we want. And this is a semicolon.
But what about the thing before that's like this dot pose dot x? I didn't. That wasn't able to.
Oh, gotcha. This looks, so these are going to be dots right here. Oh, and this one's a semicolon. These look right though. Instead of almost right.
That, but that's just laid out.
Yeah, so it wrapped down so it's multiple lines.
There's a big attention, and then he got very far, and then.
Gotcha. You can look at the code up right now.
I don't even have.
Oh no. Let's see. So add curly braces right after. So some of those curly braces right after the last pink one. Add a pair of those. Yeah, like that. And you press enter. Go inside the curly brace ones and press enter or return. Yeah. So in there, you'll type, let me show you on the screen. You'll copy that right there. So you'll have fill, you put in a color.
This guy in the corner hasn't done any coding at all. He's just playing games.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good, you're good. Okay. We're going to go back to our app.js now. Okay, we're going to go over here now. So notice I switched files. We're back over here. We went back to our app.js file. Now let's create some of the little voids that we created before. Okay, So to do that, we're going to create our own another function right down here.
Is it inside the bracket or no?
It's outside. So this is at the very bottom of our file. Okay, so I created a function right here called spawn voids, because we're going to spawn a bunch all over.
Could the amount be I?
Yeah, if you want. We're going to call it amount here, and we can pass in whatever number we want later. You can do 100. Yeah, you can save it a little bit. It's not going to do anything yet. We have to still finish it. So spawn voids, we're going to pass an amount there, and then we're going to code the rest right now. So we're going to have to do a loop. We have to execute some code a number of times, so we're going to have to use a loop. Yeah, for loop. So we're going to say let I equals 0. As long as I is less than amount, we're going to do I++. That's a lot of code right there. So be sure to keep an eye on like what's happening right there and how to write it.
If I is less than amount, change I by 1.
Yep, exactly. You got it.
It just takes a little studying and then I can convert it straight to the scratch code.
Yep, pretty much.
It's just a lot longer than what
Yep, that's true. See if you can create this in Scratch after.
I don't think with functions for velocity though and stuff, and that stuff's like expensive.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Yeah, it can be. Okay, we're going to go right up here at the top, right up on top of the for loop.
I'm not.
And we're going to say const, or let, flock equals square brackets.
That's before, right?
Yeah, that's right up on top and right before the for loop.
Have you already like made the functions for this?
Yeah, I have them coded on another screen.
Otherwise it'd be a little bit longer than this.
Yep, pretty much. Okay. So inside here, we're going to do a const void. It's equal to new void.
What are we doing tomorrow?
We're going to continue this basically. We're going to make sure we have a working fun app at the end.
I only have one bracket.
You can just write the other one in there. So good so far? No? What did you do?
I just kind of read script.
Oh, you're good.
This is not my thing.
No, you're good. That's okay. We can help you with it. So are you on the Boyd one? How did you get that one done?
Yeah.
That one's still blank. Let's see. So if you go back to here, what you can actually do, I haven't told anyone this, but you can actually go here and see the code. So click here, and you can copy it. Don't tell anyone though.
Okay.
It's a secret. So actually the best place to look at it is go back to Boyd's here. And we'll click this folder right over here. Click the text. Yeah. And then you can click any files that you want and you can copy the code. So you can go to Boyd.js right here and copy all this.
Okay.
And then you can go paste it. It's yours. I may have to tell everyone else that now because I told you.
Okay. Wait, should it do something now?
Nope, not yet. Hey, if you guys are stuck also, you can always go back to the repository here and you can look at my code. So you can actually copy my code now if you want. So if you're back here from where you click the download button, you can actually just go here, click this JS, you can look at the app, you can copy this code right here, and you can paste it just to make sure you're up to date and stuff, because we're going to move a little bit faster. You can click here. That's okay. Anyway, we're going to go back to coding the app though.
Or where we copy and paste all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all the time.
Okay. All right, so let me pull up what we need to do next. So we're going to go right here after we do the const Boyd equals new Boyd. And we're going to do flock.push Boyd. So we're adding it back to the flock. And then at the very bottom here, notice we're still within the curly bracket here, the last one. We're still inside it. It's above it. We're going to do return flock. Ah, fun. You can go and copy my code if you'd like, or you can raise your hand for an instructor to come by and help you. Got something or? Nope, not yet. We're gonna do that right now, so we start to see some changes.
It's not even my background. Like, my background's blank.
Oh, it's blank? Oh no. Do you have any red squiggles anywhere? Let's see. I don't see any red squiggles here. Go back to this file. Oh, you need to save this file.
Oh.
Okay, that one looks saved. That one's fine. You can ignore that file.
Can I delete it? I'm just kidding.
No, well, it'll break everything.
I know. Because that's where all the,
That's where all the behind the scenes code.
that's where all the, what's it called?
Yeah, all these functions create vector, ellipse, and all that
Yeah.
stuff. Yeah. Let's see. Does it work now? Let's see. Right click here, anywhere, and do inspect. This will pop up a fancy menu. Go to console. It'll tell me what's going on. So is user not defined. Ah, okay. So let's go back here. And where are we using Z? Go to app.
There you go.
Change this to I, right here.
No,
And that should fix it.
that's it.
I think so. Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
Line up with what I need.
What? Oh, so we need to save it too. So what we can do is we can, for the time being, copy the code over here. So we can go to our app and just copy this code. So you're up to date with us and what we have. So we're going to go here and paste it. And we're going to press save. And then we're going to go to the Boyd one right here, and we're going to copy this. Go over here and press paste and save. So now you have what iCode has. So if you return to here, you see this. Okay, let's keep going. So I'm going to do some cleanup. I'm going to delete this line up here. We can get rid of this, and then we can get rid of these. Actually, I changed my mind. We want the background back, so I'm going to do background.
Oh, you want gradient background. That's what you want. You want rainbows.
I can't do rainbows right now. That's a little complex. Okay, so we cleaned up. We just deleted some code, so it now looks like this.
Wait, where's that? Wait, should we delete the no ellipse and that?
Yeah, you delete that. Make sure you're on the app.js though. Yeah, keep the background. What? You can do one number or you can do multiple. You can choose. I just chose to do one number since it's less.
Can I do like 10 numbers?
Unfortunately, I don't think 10 numbers works. Last I tried.
About 9.
I missed what you just did.
I don't know if 9 works either. I think it's only max of 4. You can do 4.
I missed what you just did. What did you just change?
I deleted some code. So this is line 1 right here. The GitHub's updated right now. If you reload, it should be updated. Okay. And so up here, I'm going to instead create another thing called flock. So const flock, no, not block, flock is equal to spawn Boyds. Okay? Let's save that. And now, to draw them on the screen and have them move, let's go down here. So we're going to say for const void of flock. Okay, does everyone have what I have right here? So if we go over here, we see nothing. Oh, beautiful. Woo, yeah, amazing. Okay, so there's a few things that we need to change and update on here to actually show some stuff. It starts in the Boyd class over here. So we're going to change our files to Boyd. Because what we have to do is we have to write here, under perception radius, is create a constructor function. Okay? We're going to say this dot pause is equal to void dot pause. This dot vel is equal to what? Void dot vel. This is in the Boyd.js file. So if you look right up here, we're inside the Boyd.js file now. And this is near the top of the file. This dot acceleration equals void dot acceleration. this dot perception radius is equal to void dot perception radius. Woo! And for kicks and giggles, we'll do a color too, and possibly a scale. So this dot color whoa there. This dot color is equal to void dot color. That's it. Thank you.
The program is that it changes colors depending on the flux around it. So if one
Yeah?
is the same color and moving the same direction.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, exactly. That would be really cool.
Imagine trying to code that without blocks. Coding it with blocks is actually really hard. I've never been able to do it successfully. And the YouTube videos, they don't work.
Oh, that's not fun.
So I've gotten close.
Hey, there you go.
Some advanced stuff and the videos actually work.
Okay. Then we're going to do last one. This dot scale is equal to boy dot scale.
Of course we're changing size.
Yeah, we got to change the size. And so for the last two, we need to add them back up here to the top. So we have to do this dot color is equal to color 255. Oh wait, we don't need this here. My bad. I misspelled something. Scale is equal to 1. All good so far? No problem. Our mentors can help you out. Cool. Okay, so now we're going to navigate back to the app.js. Oh, what? Okay. We'll pause here for a little bit. Don't worry, there's not going to be anything yet. Don't worry, that's okay. That's coming. So we did some changes over here, then we can do some other changes over there. Yeah? What's up? With this file, yes, we're done with this file. So make sure it's saved. We're going to go to the app.js in a little bit and add some stuff there, and then it'll start showing stuff on the screen. Yeah. Not yet, not yet. Almost. This is sometimes the boring part where you have to code a lot before it shows stuff on the screen. That's kind of the unfortunate part of some of this stuff.
Why are we even doing this again?
Oh, because it'll be fun in the end. It's the long-term reward. I can't do that, unfortunately.
You do this, otherwise you don't get food and water.
We're going to lock you in here. No, I'm just kidding.
Kind of necessary. Oh, that was so funny though.
Okay, we're going to go to app.js now. Okay, I'll show this one again in case anyone needs to catch anything. Yeah, I just noticed that too.
It's not all of them though, it's only some of them. But mine is, oh.
Mine's having
Mine's
issues.
connected.
Okay, yeah, mine just did too.
Nice. Okay, I can do
That
Sometimes
is
there's no internet, but it loaded GitHub for me.
slight internet issues, sorry.
Oh, beautiful. Okay. I think it's back.
Okay. Yeah, fun, huh?
You know, I use it usually. That's weird. I didn't even realize anything happened.
Okay, so we're going to go back to our app. We're going to go down here to the spawn function, and this is where we'll start doing some fancy stuff. We're going to add some curly braces inside the parentheses of this void. Okay? So in here, we're going to do pause. It's going to be equal to, oh wait, no caps, sorry. So this is our app.js. You can look right up here for what file we're on. Oh yeah, we're scrolled down, we're in this spawn voids function. Right down here. So position is going to be create vector. And here we're going to pass a random width and a random height. Okay? It might not work yet, but it's okay. Oh, yeah, you're right. Good catch. Thank you. Bonus points. Good job.
Is the flock push supposed to be in or out of the limit?
It's going to be outside. Oh, no, sorry. The flock push is going to be inside the for, but outside of this void one. This should be colored brackets that help. Okay, so we're going to have random position.
I can't see it. I can't see the
That's what I love about it. Does the same thing as this. If I start making parentheses and stuff, it'll visually see where they are.
Is that still in the brackets?
Yeah, that's good.
We're currently inside these brackets right here, right below the amount. Right below this for loop line. Okay, we wrote a lot of code right here really quick. So I'm going to pause it here and wait for everyone to catch up, okay?
Yeah, and you want the D to be capitalized.
20 and then double brackets?
And then comma. No. Closing semicolon. A little shortcut.
Okay, we're gonna start a break for everyone to catch up and then to go get some water and stuff like that. Oh, go back up. We're going back up for a little bit.
Did it do anything?
Not quite yet. I'm still trying to work on some stuff.
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah, still break. Oh, you're good. I'm doing some testing stuff to see what's going wrong. Okay, we're gonna get started back again. Yeah, I'll show you guys what we changed. You can just copy it at this point. Okay.
Okay, so you're going to go to your GitHub page that you guys had open earlier. And then you'll go to this
So we made some changes that fixed a few bugs that we had. I'll go over them with you right now, which ones we fixed. So on this page, on app, we made sure that let flock is equal to square brackets. We changed it up here so it's now this. Okay, it was something else before, but we're changing it to this now. Okay, we have our setup, which is the same, except we added flock is equal to spawn voids. And we had to put a number in here. We had to put how many we wanted to put. So put whatever number you want.
8 billion.
That might be a little much for your computer to handle. It might crash it. You don't want to crash your computers.
How much is too much to handle?
You'll have to test it and find out yourself to figure. 100's a good starting point.
It's somewhere around.
Wait, should it start working now?
Not yet, not yet. Almost. We're almost there.
Is that not an error?
Yeah, that's okay. We're going through them and fixing them. So,
My error is just the number in spawn voice.
oh, you're good. We'll fix that in just a second. Okay, so we have background is 50. We updated our thing. Make sure you're passing in 4 inside this update function. And then here, you don't need this. We took out our acceleration here. Or we don't have acceleration, so we have our velocity, perception radius, scale, color. And that should basically stay the same. Is this file all good for you guys? Is the app.js all good? Okay, well, come look. We changed a few things over here. So the main thing we changed is we took out acceleration on boy.js. So hurry and take that out. We took out this dot acceleration is equal to boy.acceleration. We took it out. We don't need it. I did. We're on Boyd. We took out the this dot acceleration, this dot x, right up here.
Oh, then
Yeah, so line 11.
what's that?
Oh, this one? Yeah, I'll scroll down for you for that one. Yep. And then in this ellipse one, we took out, so it's just this dot perception radius, not this dot pause dot perception radius. So you have it correct. I had a misspelling. That looks good. That looks good. Okay, looking fine. Okay, that looks fine for me. So save this one, and let's go work on the errors on this page here. We'll save it. Okay.
That one.
Oh, I see. So this one will be a mount right here. We'll pass in 100 to somewhere else. So this one will be a mount. It likes to be called that. And then we're going to pass in the actual number up above here. So we cleaned up some of this stuff that we had. So we did let flock equals square brackets here. And then we initialized it. So we said flock is equal to spawn voids. And this is where you can put 100 or something. Whoops, I put it in the wrong spot.
Is there any way we could access this at, like, our house?
Yeah, you can. You have to remember to copy down the link, though, the URL. But you can technically do that. Or if you bring like a USB in tomorrow or something, you can copy your code to your USB and then show your parents. Yeah, it'd be fun. Or you can take a video of it.
My dad just, like, lets it dissolve.
Oh, cool. That's awesome.
I don't know exactly. I just know he works with, like, signals and stuff.
Cool. No, that's awesome. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. So yours looks so far so good. Eyes not defined.
Why is the background stopped?
Oh, because we changed it to 10 here. You can change it to whatever you want in a second. I did it so it's easier to see the colors. So no stroke is not defined. We're going to go over here.
Oh, yeah, I can see it too.
This one's an S. Right here. There you go. Sweet, you got it, dude. Good job.
How'd you do the other boards where it had like the little arrows?
The arrows, we're going to do that in a second. Yeah. So right now we set them as circles because it's easier to draw a circle than a triangle. A little bit. So I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. Got it updated? Got it all? How's it coming along for you? Let's see. So if you want, you can go copy the code of what we have at this point, so you don't need to have to write it all. It might be quicker for you. So you can go back to your browser, and if you go back over here and press reload so you can get up the up-to-date stuff, you can go you can go here and look through the file. So press JS, because we've been working in the JS one. I think you have to click the text, the word. And then you can open up like app.js or something, and you can copy this. So you can just select it. I think you can also press copy right here, this little thing. Right here next to it.
I have a question.
Yeah, copy raw
Are
contents.
we gonna eventually make like the voids like bounce off the walls?
Yeah, we're gonna do that too.
Yeah.
That might be a tomorrow one.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're planning on doing that. And so Now what you want to do is you want to select everything and delete it for right now. So, yep. Then you can press backspace, and then you can do Control V or right-click paste to paste in the stuff. Oh, that's weird. Go back to the thing and press the copy button again. Okay, now try to paste it again. You can right-click paste if you want. And then paste is down here for some reason. There you go, perfect. You just coded all that in a second. And then you can do the same thing with the app.js. So we can go back over here again. And now this is the app.js. Oh wait, this is app.js. Go over here. Let's see. Oh no, that's right. Okay. And you can, yeah, we can copy this one. Except we already copied this one. No, it looks like that one's good. So if you go back to your code, this one looks fine so far. We can delete this line though, the this.acceleration equals void. Up one more. Yeah, that one. Up, down. Down one more. Yeah, we can delete that whole line. Yep, perfect. And then right here we can get rid of the pause dot. So we can get rid of some of that. Yep. Yep, just like that. Okay, that's looking good. You can go save them. So you can press Control S and then do the same thing over here in your app. Yep, and now if you go back to your browser, it should show something. No, not yet. Can I borrow your mouse really quick? Oh, I see, it's a slight misspelling. So this one will be an R right here. Let's save that. This dot color is not a function. Oh, I misspelled this before. It's going to be like that. Where's not defined? Where's just 10? Yeah, this one's going to be a D right there. Acceleration's not defined on line 27. Oh, these are going to be periods right here. Fill is not defined on 27. This will be a lowercase f right here. There you go. Now you got some moving circles. Just a few other stuff we had to fix, but there you go. Okay.
That was missing.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Nope. Something else.
So we also changed this right here. So for our draw function, we said fill will be this dot color. That way we get different colors. Okay? Let me go back to it right there. So what we did was we put in this dot color instead of our own color. Instead of numbers, we put this dot color. So now we should have something like this. If you don't see this right now, let one of the instructors know and we can help you get this point. What's up? Oh, okay. Let's see. So I'm going to borrow your mouse really quick. Let's do inspect and see what we're... Okay, so we need to go over here. Oh, we need to save this. Okay, that looks all good and perfect. Oh, I see. This will need to be right in here. Like that. Not read, undefined, random 2D. This will be a capital V this time. Maximum call stack. Oh, you got a funny error. Yeah, I wonder what that means. Let's find out. So this will be fill right here.
Holy cow, it just keeps changing into that.
It likes to do that. It's a little annoying, huh? It's not that fun. Okay. So we did get rid of this. We don't need this one here anymore. Okay, so far so good. Okay, we got rid, good job, you got rid of that. So this one right here, we're gonna update this. Sorry, I'm locking you in here right now.
That's fine.
Okay. And right here we'll do this dot color. So I'm gonna get around here really quick. This dot color.
There we go. That's a lot more color.
Okay, so now we're gonna go over here and just grab some of the code to see if it, to grab the up-to-date one. So I'm gonna press copy right here. And so this was on the Boyd.js file. So we're gonna go over here and replace this code with that. So it's basically the same code. So we still don't see anything yet, so we're gonna go over to the other code on the app. And we're gonna copy that code here. So down here, we're gonna go paste it in this app file. So now you got these. Woo! Looking good. Okay, who else isn't there yet?
Like with the colors one?
Yeah, the colors.
No, I'm banned. Banned.
All right, what's up?
Just want to know what's wrong with mine.
Okay, no problem. I'm gonna borrow your mouse really quick. Let's see. So I know we need to save this one. Let's go over here and see what it's complaining about. Vector rand. That's weird. Do have that.
Oh, 2D. She's missing.
Oh, I see. Good catch. Okay. Void is not defined. I want this to be capital B here. Okay, so right now we're gonna quickly go over here and copy the code just to make sure up to date really fast. So we're gonna press this copy button right here. So that was the app one, so we can't do it in Boyd, we have to go to the app and paste that here. Whoops, let's not do that because that's gonna cause issues. And let's go over here to the Boyd, press copy, and then go here and paste that there. So now you should have the fancy colors right now. Perfect, perfect. You can go ahead and copy the files over here. I'm gonna get by you really quick.
Okay, we need your help.
Yeah. You can just,
Figure out what's wrong.
I cannot for life of me.
you're good. You can copy the new code over. I know the file's not saved.
Oh yeah, we had a space somewhere, but
Oh, you're good.
It seriously looks right.
That's weird. I know sometimes it's like that, and so I've just had to like copy them over and just be like, okay, we're just gonna use this code for now.
All right.
Because I know this one should work. So obviously, okay, we got it working now, but they don't look like triangles. They don't look like little things we had in the original one. So we're gonna next change them to look like little triangles instead. So we start to get our thing that we're going for.
Maybe it looks like a dodecahedron.
A decahedron. Oh, I don't know if we could do that. That's a little complex. Maybe if you want, you can try it in your free time. Try to mess with it. Okay. So we're going to go to our Boyd right here. And we're going to delete the ellipse, sorry. I said it wrong. We're going to delete the ellipse. So now our draw function in Boyd only looks like this. Okay? Yep, they're not going to show up right now, but that's okay. We're going to add them back. So, what? Oh, I haven't done that much, so I'm not sure. You'll have to look around and online and Google it a little bit and figure that out. But that's cool. That would be cool. Oh, I see. We had a very transparent circle around them. That's what it was. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to write push. No, not push manager. Listen to me, please. There we go. My program does not like me. Yep. We're going to say translate. No, why does it keep making up all these big words? Goodness.
Because it thinks you're smarter.
Yeah, it's like,
You're smarter than you actually are.
yeah, exactly. This dot pause dot x. Dot y. So this dot pause dot y. And then we're going to say rotate. This dot vel. Yeah, it'll start to do a little bit of that weird stuff. Yeah, I know. It's like, what? Dot heading plus pi. Voice crack. Can everyone see this, or does it need to be bigger on the screen? Yep.
You know how the computer knows like if there's an error and where it is and like stuff? Why doesn't it just fix it on its own?
I know. I feel like it should at this point, but they're still not quite that smart. Mine just looks a little bit different. It will be the star that's, it's on the 8 key. Cool. I'm still writing some of the codes, so you can just make sure you're following along with that. Okay, perfect, perfect. Oh, perfect. There you go. And then we're going to do 7 times scale. We're going to do end, shape, close, in all caps. And then we're going to write the magical pop. Okay, we wrote a lot of code right there. So that's where we're at so far. I'm just going to leave this on the screen for a little bit for you guys to go ahead and copy. I'm going to push it so it's on the GitHub, so you can copy it there in just a second.
Should it work?
Yep.
I got a little guy.
Woo! You should get something like this now. Yep, yep, there we go.
I also wanted to make them more like, instead of narrow, I wanted to make them like more this. Is that
Like that? You'd have to change.
so it's sort of a triangle like this?
Yeah. You'd have to mess with the vertex values that we were typing in. So you can delete some, change up the numbers.
So which one is which? Because 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's a good question. I'm not sure. I kind of had to do it one day and I don't remember. Sometimes code's like that.
I'm gonna see what this does.
Okay, cool. Okay. Copy that code down. We did write a lot right there. But copy that code down. And that will help us change the shape to more of the triangle. Oh, you did a lot?
Yeah.
How many did you guys do?
Thousands. I went with 1,000.
I was wondering if it was going to kill my internet browser.
Oh no.
I think part of it's that I'm on Linux and there's a lot less going on in the back.
Rob, that's not very good.
Oh, you're almost there? Oh, it did that fun stuff for you again. Yep.
I figured it out.
Cool. We need the pop also. You got it?
Figured it out.
Yeah? That fast? Holy crap.
And now, instead of it being like this, it's now this.
Ooh, cool. There you go.
I think I'm gonna leave my normal.
Oh, it did that again.
Looks real like professional.
There you go. So there's a few things we'll change. So there, it looks all good to me. I'm gonna grab your mouse really quick. Oh, oh yeah, you want to save it? Cool.
He's stealing my mouse.
That keeps me. My bad. So this one needs a translate. It keeps wanting to autocorrect. I don't like it. And this is
Probably
rotate.
some setting you could do to turn it off.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know the setting though. That's annoying. I'll have to look it up. Yeah, it helps. But there you go. Now it should be working on yours. Yeah. Oh no.
Push is not defined. There's only one time we use
What?
push.
Yeah. Ah, here we go. Hey, there you
What'd
go.
change?
We changed the push so it's lowercase p. Do you want to help her? Yeah.
Move this box.
Oh, yeah, we need to move that out of the way. Let's see.
It's an ugly box.
It is. We need to do that. There we go.
And if I make it the same color as the blocks, then they'll just
Yeah, pretty much. It'll just disappear there.
The hops.
Raise the hands. Anyone not there yet? Let's see, where you at? Yeah, it's supposed to be triangle. Oh, I see what happened here. So it likes to auto change these, which is very annoying. So this one needs to be rotate.
That's not very good.
I need an A in here. And this one will be just pop. Everything else looks fine. Let's see, flock is not defined on app. Let's go ahead and copy some of the code over here from the app, so we're up to date on there and we know that's gonna work. So we're gonna go here and paste that in. So now we have Boyd. Oh, it says bold. We want to change that to Boyd over here. So we're going to line 11 and do Boyd. Kind of reproduction of molt, multiply. Oh yeah, we need to get rid of this line. Whoa. Oh, okay, they're all pointing that way. It looks cool. Why aren't they moving though? Not sure why it's doing that. Let's go ahead and copy over the app. Where?
Right over here.
Oh, you're right. This one needs to be a dot.
Just needs to be filled.
There you go. Good catch. Why isn't it working now?
Yeah, go back to the deployed, and then this should just be vel right here.
Oh, you're right. You're right. There we go. Now you got him. Anyone else need help?
Don't say that. Oh, you're grossing me out.
Everyone else got it? Okay.
How do you make an ellipse transparent?
You can have the fill color have a fourth value.
So 50 is like 50%.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I think I did something with my
All right.
Is it ellipse color, or is it ellipse position?
I have to go check. We're going to take a 10-minute break now, okay? Go use the bathroom if you need, take some water, some snacks.
I got the ellipse to show up.
Oh, cool. There you go.
I just changed it. Okay, that is the size. Or something.
Yeah, so this is going to be that should be the color. Unless 3 is doing something different that I'm not sure about. But so you want to add this ellipse on the app file instead.
Okay.
And so you want to put it like right below the background.
Below.
Yeah. And then there you can put what you want, and then right above it you'll put the fill. And so this fill will have, oh, it goes to file list again. That's so annoying. You do want a lowercase f, I think. There you go. Okay, inside there, you want to put 4 values. The color for RGB, and then another one that's like 50 for 50%.
How do I take the current Boyd color from there?
Oh, you want to do it for each Boyd? Oh, gotcha. Okay, in that case, copy what you've done there. Yeah, that's right. You do want to do it over here.
Where do I want it?
You want to go to the Boyd.js file.
Okay.
You want to go after the pop. So do one line below. Yep, paste it there.
Ellipse. I'll just put just 2 values or 3 values. I forget.
I think that should be fine for now.
And then I make the color. What's the color part?
You can do this dot color.
This dot color. And then comma 25 for.
Try that. Try that.
Okay, no circles are popping.
Go over here, add a comma again inside there, and do another 100. Okay, there we go.
Circle popped up there.
Okay, so let's go back to your
And
code.
it changes color, so we know that
It's matching one of the Boyds, so go here and do this dot pause dot x.
this dot pause dot x.
Yep, and then we'll do this dot pause dot y for the 100. Okay, so that should at least make it move. All of them have them. So to make them transparent, I don't know if you'll be able to match the same color or not. So for the time being, I would say change this dot color to 255.
5,
Yeah, just like that.
255.
Well, that one can be 25.
Okay, well, S.
Yeah. So now they have a small one. It's white, but if you make it less transparent, it looks like it's a blur or a bloom effect.
Okay,
That's what I did in my other example.
so make this smaller.
Make this one smaller, the 25, so maybe 10 or something. And that's kind of what I had before.
Except for I saw that these colors were blurring.
It might have looked like that on the TV. They were a little bit smaller too. So maybe instead of 100, you put like 20 or something.
Now we don't see them. Oh, I can
Oh, they're
barely
very faint, yeah. Maybe bigger.
I can barely
There you go. So it kind of looks like the blurring a little bit. But you can mess with the numbers there. Glow? Kind of like what he's doing. So what he did was he added a transparent circle around them. I can do the code for you right now. Okay, so some people want to see them glow, so we're going to add the code for that right here. Okay?
Like what glow?
To make the little Boyds glow, there's like a fake glow around them. So what we're going to do is we're going to go below the pop. We're going to do fill, 255, 10. Yeah, I am right here. Then we're going to do an ellipse. This dot pause dot x, this dot pause dot y, this stop per, and just like that, you have a slight glow around them. The highlighted lines are the new thing that I added. How's it come along?
So are we getting?
That makes sense. Normally you would, but here we need to make it entertaining. But yeah.
Then we're supposed to launch a committee and make it like
Oh boy, oh boy.
Thing, and it doesn't move.
Oh.
So something is probably wrong with your array. Most likely.
Mm-hmm.
The flock pushes per row. Void constants.
You can right click your browser and it'll tell you. So go back to the thing, right click and do inspect. And go to console tab right up here.
Oh.
So ellipse, yeah.
I wouldn't know that.
What do you want to do?
Is there a way to?
Jeez.
Is there a way to code it so that
How many
we
did you
can
put in there?
keep them on screen?
Yeah, we're actually gonna add that functionality. I think we can do that today. They're gonna basically wrap around the screen and go to the other side.
I broke it. I tried to put the good in.
Oh no. Oh snap. Yeah, apparently you can't do that many, and his is barely holding together. How many frames per second is that? I wonder.
It didn't move.
Holy cow.
It just stood there.
Once you add the glowing effect, it gets a little lag.
Yeah, it does.
Kind of like save the color somewhere and then like have it so the glowing effect is like the same color. It'd be kind of difficult to do that, but
I couldn't figure out how to do that.
yeah.
Because let me check. Okay, so if you update your code to this, it'll take the color of the actual void and use that as the blur effect. So I had to do some weird stuff, so it looks a little weird, but this is what you have to do right here. Anyone need help so far? I was like, you already have it done? I was like, holy, oh, is that Wiz?
Yeah, I finished it, man.
I was like, holy
And
crap.
like,
Dude, I was supposed to be on our conference call today and I forgot. It just barely ended.
Oh.
Shoot.
They're gonna be
That's
like,
nice.
where were you?
I was
You're busy
supposed-
working, making.
I was supposed to
Well,
be
I
on
was supposed
a,
to at least open it and then just leave it to the side so it looks like I'm in there. Then I go back and watch the recording.
Oh my gosh, shoot.
Boss is gonna be like, dude, where were you?
Shoot. Yeah.
I was wondering, so with the blur, do I put that, so I plan to fill, so, wait, where's the part? Oh, yeah, so I put this part, do I put that, like, that part over it?
Yeah, so you'll replace the 255 with this dot color levels, square bracket 0, comma, and then the rest of them.
Yeah, okay, sure.
So yeah, now they should look like this. I'm also going to update the scale to make them a little bit bigger. So if you go over here to 1.5, the scale, you can change this to another number like 4. Now they're huge.
How big can we get them?
Let's do 40. Ah, that's a little big.
Let's do 100.
How fast they go? Yes, you can. You do that right here. So it only goes to a speed 1 through 5, so you can change this to be like 20 or something. I'm going to do this times scale here.
Where do we change the scale?
So I did scale times perception radius right here where the ellipse part is. Oh, you go over here to the app and you change the scale right here. Mm-hmm. Nice. Yeah. You'd have to give them a random scale. So what you'd have to do right here is copy this right here. And paste it again right below. And then it's going to complain right here, so we're going to do this with scale. And then we're going to say that the scale is scale here. Oh, this needs to be scale too. Oh, my bad. We're going to do this instead. So scale is equal to random, 1, 5, and then you set scale as scale. That should, yeah, make them different sizes. So you got one that's tiny right here, you got one that's huge right over here. So right here, we added const scale equals random 1, 5, and you can change these numbers however you want. So maybe this one will be a 1, this one will be a 2, and then you set scale as scale. Oh, you create it. You create it.
I found a little bit better, in my opinion, looking glow effect.
Oh yeah?
If you get the perception scale thingy
Mm-hmm.
and divide by 2 at the very end.
Oh, divide by 2 right here? Okay.
Very end. I think I unintentionally
Nice,
found
yeah.
something cool.
Let's see what you did. Oh. Oh, that's cool. It might give you a headache after a little bit, but that does look pretty cool. You need help with anything? But nice. What?
Are we still going to keep doing this program? Or are we finished?
With this app or something?
Like the code? Are we already finished?
For today? We're going to add one more part and then we'll be done.
Okay.
Okay, so the last part that we're going to do for today Okay, so right now, all they do is they leave the screen. Oh, let me get rid of that side box. Right now, all they do is leave the screen. We want them to stay on the screen. So we're going to create a little wrap function that keeps them within the screen. So they'll wrap around. If they go off this side on this side, they'll appear on this side. And so it's like an infinite space for them.
But couldn't we make it so that when they hit it, it's like a random angle that they can shoot?
Oh, bounce. You can do it like that.
If they go this way, they might go that way.
Mm-hmm.
Or they just,
Do you want to do it like that instead?
yeah, probably that.
We could try that. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to have to do, we're going to go to the Boyd file over here, the Boyd.js file. Yeah, we're going to be writing it right now. We're going to add a function called bounce. So I created this right above the update function. We made one called bounce, and for right now we set some variables. So x is this dot pos dot x, and then y is equal to this dot pos dot y. So make sure you're on the Boyd.js page.
Oh. Update. Okay, found the update.
Okay. And so what we want to do here is we want to say, hey, if this Boyd, if the position, if the x value is less than 0, we have to do something. Yeah, so what we can do with that is we could do times -1. Yeah, -1. You can do that too. Yeah, either way it's going to be cool. We'll try the bounce one first. Sounds good. We can also do the wrap one. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can do a ton of stuff. Okay, so we say that this dot pos dot x dot this dot pos dot multiply by -1. So everyone got that so far? Mm-hmm. Because what we'll be doing instead to make them wrap around is be saying, hey, when x is, yeah, we're going to set it to the opposite side, so width or 0. Yeah.
Yours is definitely you can just respond to it if you follow. Oh, yours is cool too.
Okay, so what we need to do next is to add this code right here. So we're going to the app.js page, okay? So once we're on the app page, we have to scroll down to this draw function. And here you'll see update and draw. So we're going to go between them right here. What? So we're going to go right above the update, and we're going to write void.bounce. Okay? The Boyd one? So we want to do this. Divided by 2, I think. Give me a quick second. We don't want that. We don't want the divide by 2. What? Let me push it. I haven't pushed it yet. Did you go on the app.js and add this code right here? We need to make sure that we have this code right there. Yeah.
So, where do you have the constant void of block thing kind of up there? Where do you have that? Because I put in this part, where do you put in the void bounce? So.
Oh, that's on the other page on app.js. Yeah. You'll do that right above the update. Yeah, I can do that in just a second. Let's see. Okay, that looks good. Velocity will multiply. Oh yeah, I need to save this file. And that should do it. Let me go back to the other page for you guys. They're not appearing? What? Okay, let's go check in a second. Okay, here's the Boyd page again. Let's see what's happening right now. Can I borrow your mouse? Let's see. I want to see what's happening over here. Void to bounce is not a function. Is it spelled differently? Oh, you need an N in here. Yeah, there we go. Now we can save it. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Let's get rid of that and then reload. Perfect. Get right by you.
No, they don't bounce. I don't really care if they bounce.
We can do the wrap in just a little bit. So we're going to change a few things here really quick. We're going to change, so it's this.vel to be this.vel.x. Okay? And then we're going to say is equal to this.vel.x times -1. Okay? Yeah, this is still the bounce. I'll create another function called a wrap that you can use instead. So what I'm going to do to quicken this, we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it right below. And what we're going to have to change is these. So we're going to change these to y. So any x's in this bottom one to y. Change this to y, change this to y. And then we'll change this to height right here. Like this. Just copy the code right here and we'll get the bounce effect.
Oh crap, I did something.
You got it?
Oh, no, I'm trying to find out. Oh wait, where'd you put the?
Here you go. We changed this a little bit. So instead of .molt, we changed it to this.vel.x instead. Oh, you want to use velocity, so VEL.
I did something and I don't know what I did.
Yeah. Oh, you wrapped it or hid it. Yeah, that gets a little confusing. There you go.
Okay, so I just copied.
We're not copying everything here. We're going to copy just the if. Bless you. But you want to first change this in here before. So we got rid of molt, and it's now the vel.x. Perfect. Woo. The code is now updated. What did you do? The poor things. Just spazzing out over there.
I did something with the code.
How's it coming along?
It looks like they created like commentary video games right there, man.
Wow, dang. So they should be bouncing now. Any questions where it's not working?
It's not working.
It's working a tiny bit, I see. So some of them are bouncing. Let's see. Let's go back to your code.
Some are not.
Yeah, some aren't. Go to your Boyd one, yep. Okay, so you have the Y one. We need to copy it and do the same thing with the X one. So you can copy the if all the way down to this blue one, this blue curly brace. So select that all, and including the blue one right down here. There you go. Perfect, perfect. Now go below the blue one and press enter, and then paste it. Yep. And then we'll change Y to X. And then we'll change this Y to X. Yep, perfect. Same thing there. And that will help a little bit. So the next part we need to do is we need to write after the 0. But yeah, right there. Do a space and then do the pipe. So this is the pipe right here. So hold shift and press that. Not the slash. We have to hold shift with it. It's a weird one. Yep. So do 2 of them. And then we'll do X. Yep. And then we'll do afterwards, you can do right here X, bigger than, so this one. The X first, sorry. Yep, and then height, then sorry, width. Yep. Oh, you need a D after the I.
What?
You need a D. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. And then up there, we'll do Y is greater than height. Yep. Yep. That'll be it. Because yours are just flipped. Ooh, they're bouncing, and now why are they're all going off there? Why the heck? Let's
Oh,
go.
it's because of.
Let's go.
Wait, can you remove this black box?
Yeah, reload it.
Going off this one, all the others are bouncing.
Yeah, that's weird. Let's go over here really quick. Y, Y, X, 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 Y, Y. Oh, I see. I see. I found it. Go back to your code really quick. So we want this to be position instead of velocity. So POS.
Okay, is that good?
Yep. So make sure that one's saved. I don't know if the file was saved. There you go. Now you should.
Now.
Yep. Now they should bounce. Yep. They're bouncing. Perfect.
Are they at, wait, let me see.
They're all bouncing around.
Bouncing in a loop.
Kind of like that. Yeah. They're just gonna bounce around the screen. Once they get to the edge, they'll bounce around. You can see if one hits the very corner.
They're bouncing at the same angle every time, I think. Wait, are they?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's pretty much the same. Yeah. How's it going? Yeah, it should be working.
Because I just copy all that and
Oh, is it not?
no.
That is weird. Let me see. Did you copy this one too?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So they're both the same file. We actually need to copy the other file. Then we have to navigate weirdly back here. You're good, but yeah, you copied the code over. So this code right here, we need to replace with this file. So file save should be, yep, they're in it now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
For, you did this earlier, but how do I make those like change with their size?
I mean, right now they are
Aura.
changing, or do you want them to
No,
change?
the aura. See, look.
Oh.
It's a big one, and the aura is.
Oh, I see, I see. So go to your code again. And in here in the void, we multiply the perception radius. So you can do, after the S, you can do a star.
Which is multiplication.
And we're going to multiply that by, what was it?
1.5.
By this dot scale.
That.
Yep, and then I think you divide it by 2 as well, so it's not as big.
And then.
So /2. Oh, nope, wrong one. Sorry, wrong slash. It's this slash. I'm upside down a little bit. /2.
Slash.
Yep,
Right.
there you go, and that should do it.
Save.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
You should make it so if they touch each other, then the one that's bigger gets deleted. Or like one of them gets deleted 50.
Mm-hmm.
And it's
That'd be kind of fun. We're not going quite that direction, but you can add that functionality if you want to, but that would be pretty cool.
Just throw this on a virtual machine on my server and think around with it, right?
If you want, yeah. If you have the unlimited resources, you can do as many as you want.
My server uses up 350 gigabytes of RAM. That's insane. I've got enough. 512 gigabytes.
That's plenty. Holy crap.
I got a 24 core processor because I found it for
You bought all this?
the RAM was not a good deal. That was like $2 grand for that much RAM. That was not cool.
Bro.
But the processor and the motherboard came as a combo,
Uh-huh.
and it was $900.
Is it a Threadripper?
No, it's Epic. So it's like
Oh.
a certain lineup. I don't want to
Oh.
have anything that fast. That would get way too hot, and I just don't have the
Oh,
ability to cool
gotcha.
that processor.
Gotcha.
So with Epic, and it also saves electricity, a lot of electricity.
That's fair.
compared to Threadripper.
That's fair.
I can't wait till Epic brings out their version of the big little cores that Intel has. They're bringing that out soon, but their little cores are still performance cores. They're
Cool.
multi-threaded. Little cores are actually multi-threaded. I cannot wait to see what that does in server class.
Nice. That would be awesome.
Have you seen
Dang.
the 96 core processor?
I had not. Holy cow.
$12,000. I wouldn't buy that, but that's a server.
Yeah, that's a lot.
AMD just turned the server class upside down.
Dang, that is awesome. Holy cow. Okay, so we're now going to do the wrap function. This one's an optional one for those of you who want to see it wrap around to the other side. Okay? So to write that, we're going to go right below the bounce here.
Like, it just keeps on going.
Yeah, so it keeps going around to the other side. It doesn't bounce.
Okay.
Yeah, so this one we will write a little bit differently, but it's kind of similar. So we're going to go to Boyd.js. We're right above update and right below the bounce function. We're going to create a wrap function. Okay, so in here, we're going to give it a const let's see, x is equal to this dot position dot x, and then const y is equal to this dot position dot y. And we're going to say if x is less than perception radius times this dot scale, divided by 2. There we go. We're going to say this dot position dot x is equal to this width, if I can spell, geez. Width plus this. And I'm going to copy the same thing right here. So this is getting kind of long, so I'm going to split this up really quick. I'm going to create a variable, const off is equal to this. Okay? We split it up and we refactored a little bit of the code. So no problem. You can copy it from what you see right here. We're going to do else if x is bigger than width plus off this, not touch list. Stop pause. Dot y is equal, or sorry, dot x is equal to negative off. Perfect. Now I'm going to copy this. We're going to do the same stuff with the y. Yep, the whole thing. So all of this right here that's selected. We're going to copy the selected and paste it below. Change Y, change X to Y, change X to Y right here. Another X to Y, X to Y. And we'll change width to height. Yeah, do Control Z. Control Z for undo. Yep, on the second one. Yep, that's correct. Mm-hmm. Well, not quite. We do have one more step to do. I'll hurry and write that really quick, and then I'll go back to the screen. Okay, so on app, we change bounce to wrap instead, and that's it. Yep, we change it to wrap. And now if you go back, they basically will wrap around. Blank? Let me go back to the code right here. Let's see. Okay. Can I borrow your mouse really quick?
You take
So,
over.
looks like right here we need to delete that. Paste it down here. Okay. Now what's happening right here? Let's inspect. So it's saying perception radius not defined. Void 49. So line 49. So we want this dot right here. So you can write this dot.
This.
Yep.
Now it should work.
I think so. Yay!
And now I'm going to reload the page and watch one.
Yep.
If I'm correct, he should appear over here.
Yep, pretty much. Hey, there you go.
Thank you.
Perfect, yeah. Anyone else need help? What? No, you're fine. That's okay.
I got it how I like it.
If you like it, perfect.
I'm like, I like it.
Do that. Do a drop shadow on it, but it's
Oh,
Yeah.
so
that's how it's kind of set up is a little weird.
so we're using the Canvas API, which means
Yeah.
everything you do in CSS doesn't apply anymore.
Yeah, that's kind of.
Oh, that's complicated then.
Yeah, it gets complicated.
This makes me want to take the web class.
I believe this was like kind of like the workaround for CSS, not exactly CSS.
Mm.
Because it's like, it's not getting it by any element or anything, it's just.
It's drawing literal pixels to the screen. It skips all that other stuff, and so usually get more performance this way. If we did the same thing with regular HTML CSS, it'd be slow already.
Yeah.
But it can even be slow right now, and so if you use like WebGL and some other low-level hardware related stuff, and you have to program those directly, then you can get more performance out of it and stuff. But we're not obviously going there today.
We don't really worry about it in this class.
No. We go over the basics. We don't actually worry about Canvas at all in the web program.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was trying to figure out.
You would have to draw the same shape. I don't know how to blur it. There's a way to blur it though. You have to draw the same shape before that's black, add a transparency, and then somehow blur it a little bit.
Yeah, because I was trying to apply it to like just the kind of glow effect that we got
Yeah.
kind of right there, and just kind of try and apply that blur effect.
Mm.
But it's like I don't know.
You have to look up blur canvas JavaScript or something.
Yeah, because what it really wants to do is it wants, or what they've been wanting us to get the element by an ID, right?
Oh yeah.
So it's like, and wants us to get the canvas. And it's like, I'm just trying to figure out what that is. Still, so it's like, I'm not sure what it sets the. Actually, it might be that right there.
Everything is the canvas.
Yeah, which I'm thinking that's the ID for it, and if I just plug that in, that might work maybe.
It'll do a drop shot around the canvas itself.
Yeah, well, yeah. Which I mean, it's progress. So.
It's progress, yeah. It'll take a little bit of tinkering. Yeah.
356 gigabytes of RAM right now.
Holy cow.
My processor's never had.
Is that at your house or something?
Yeah, it's at my house.
Jeez.
So I use Cloudflare to tunnel it to the internet.
Oh,
and I use Zero
Cloudflare.
Trust to block this because I do not want people.
I heard
having
good things
access.
about Cloudflare.
Their web application firewall is amazing. I don't know why I didn't start with that in the beginning.
Oh, interesting.
By
Okay.
the time I started Bridgerland, I had no idea how to get websites pointed to the internet with SSL certificates. Did do that with a Raspberry Pi.
Okay.
Eventually, we ran out of space for movies. 'cause
Oh, yeah.
Watching movies and stuff.
Yeah.
Then I had to quickly build a computer together. Built a temporary computer parts for mine.
Nice.
Eventually, just slowly throughout the course of 3 years, built the server.
Dang.
So it took.
There you go.
Storage
That's a long one.
is a lot better.
Yeah.
30 terabytes now for storage. Great.
I don't even know what I need to do with like 2. Or no, actually I know what to do with 2. I don't know what to do with like 5.
Movies, man. People keep requesting
True.
movies from my DVR to record.
Oh, gotcha.
So they'll just go nuts with it. But I'm like,
Oh my gosh.
movies are popping up on Plex.
Oh, that is funny. That is funny. Let's see. Anyone else need help? Raise your hand. Anyone else need assistance? Bless you. Okay, otherwise we're going to pause for the rest of today.
And then save that. Usually it's just little things like it's just little
Bless you.
things like that.
They're all like dispersing. I mean, it looks cool. Oh, are you doing the app? Are you calling the function? So go to your app.
Yes, yeah, we call draft.
Okay, yeah, you're calling your app.
It's going to be something with the velocity.
Go back to your Boyd file. Position.
I mean, it's cool. I just don't know why it's
I
happening.
do know you want this to be called the same because you have like almost Python in there. This dot scale. Oh, there we go. They're wrapping now. I guess it was the weird radius thing. Perfect. Anyone else need help? Cool. We're going to take another 10-minute break, and then you guys will be done for the day.